Welcome back to day 9 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. If you've been here the last 8 days, you already know this, but if you're just tuning in, I asked AI to create me a spring cleaning schedule for the entire month of April. So I'm posting a video every single day in April to not only get my spring cleaning done, but also give you the motivation to get your spring cleaning done too. I printed off this schedule for myself to stay focused and stay on track. I kind of carry this list around with me everywhere just to make sure I'm not losing track of what I'm supposed to be doing. I wanted the schedule to be simple and realistic, and that's exactly what it is. As a work-at-home homeschooling mom of 4, that was top priority for me, so I didn't get overwhelmed getting my spring cleaning done. AI did a really good job of categorizing everything and putting everything in a pretty nice order here. I have rearranged a few days so far, and today is one of those days that I will be rearranging. I'd like to focus on the main floor first, and then the second half of the list move upstairs and focus more on the bedrooms. One thing on here, it has bathrooms grouped together, so each day has a bathroom declutter and then a bathroom deep clean. My bathroom on the main floor does not need to be decluttered. It is a half bath and there's basically nothing in the cabinet in the vanity, so I don't think any decluttering needs to be done there, which is great because it actually frees up one of my days. And I was concerned a few days ago that I was using my unfinished task day too early. I used it, I think, on day 4 or day 5. So this actually frees up another unfinished task day for me, which I love and I'm sure I will need. So let's get started. I have a pretty busy day today, so I would like today's spring cleaning to be pretty short and quick. The video might be out a little bit later than normal. I'm filming and editing and posting all on the same day and doing the spring cleaning, so hopefully that is no problem. I will also be using the same steam cleaner I used in yesterday's video. I unboxed it for the first time yesterday and love it. It is the best steam cleaner I have ever used, so I'll be using it to clean the majority of my bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe and let's do this.
Down and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. It's been true for the longest time. Just know that somewhere there's a sign, either fate or the big sublime, 'cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh, but you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh, be you, yeah, only you, only you.
I know there's cleaner specifically for walls called Zep Wall Cleaner, and it comes with a little wall scrubber. I just prefer to use vinegar and water, and there's some essential oils and a few drops of dish soap in here too. just doing a quick wipe down of the sink. There's some dirt here. I just want to get everything off of it and then I will steam clean it. There's dirt here because I let my plant soak in the sink for a little while. So like I said, I just want to get all of this stuff off of the sink before steaming it. I'm sorry it's so echoey in here. I've gotten this comment plenty of times, so I just wanted to point out that all of my microfiber towels today are green. I have so many microfiber towels, but I decided to use green today. I am switching them out, though it may not look like it. I know other people take their toilet seat off and clean like under here. I asked my husband how to do that and I've seen others do it, but for some reason mine is not like that. It doesn't just pop off and pop back on. It's actually a little more challenging, so I'm just gonna leave mine on and clean around it. Thank you so much for being here for day 9 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. I hope you're getting some motivation to tackle that spring cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and I will see you tomorrow.